Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through on how to upgrade your subscription plan on supermeme. Looking to unlock more meme making possibilities? Let's explore how to upgrade your subscription plan on supermeme. Start by launching your browser and heading over to supermeme.com. Once you are there, direct your attention to the left sidebar. See the subscription section? Give it a tap. This is where the magic happens. Here comes the exciting part. You are presented with a range of subscription options tailored to your needs. We've got Solo at $9.99, Startup at $34.99, and Enterprise at $99.99. Once you have chosen the plan that suits you best, click that enticing subscribe button. Get ready to elevate your meme game. Follow the straightforward prompts to provide any necessary information and complete the payment process. It's as simple as a few clicks. By upgrading your subscription plan on supermeme, you're diving into a world of enhanced meme creation and limitless fun. Unleash your creativity and share your humor with the world. So why wait? Upgrade your plan now and let the meme magic continue on supermeme. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.